And this video will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from your Cash App account to OKX. First of all, you need to get the Bitcoin wallet address from OKX. You need to click on deposit in the top right, then select Bitcoin. Right here is the Bitcoin, then select the Bitcoin network, and here will be your OKX Bitcoin wallet address. You need to copy this wallet address, and after that you can open your Cash App. When you open your Cash App account, you need to click the Bitcoin in the bottom menu or just click the bank icon, scroll a little bit down, and here will be the Bitcoin. You need to click on Bitcoin. And when you go to the Cash App Bitcoin page, you will see your balance in the top. Under the balance, you will see buy, sell, and these arrow buttons. You need to click on arrow and then choose send Bitcoin. Then you need to choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer from Cash App to OKX. And after that, you need to paste the wallet address you copied from OKX into section. Here you can add the note, it's optional, and click the next button in the top right. Finally, you need to select the withdrawal speed. If you want to receive your money as quick as possible, you can choose the priority speed, but keep in mind that it has got extra commission. Then click the next button and finalize the transaction. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.